My gunite pool popped out of the ground. It is quite old, built in the 60s or 70s. I know it is a huge ordeal to repair, and extremely expensive. I am broken-hearted, but I suspect my only option is to just destroy it. Am I right? Frown.
Hi, I am here to help you with your question. Your pool may not have to be destroyed depending how high it popped out. Have seen pools pop out 1 to 1.5 and not break any plumbing. If shell is not destroyed, sometimes pools will settle back down when filled back up with water. Any broken plumbing underground or under decking can always be repaired. Any cracks can also be repaired in shell if you have shell damage. Are you able to attach pictures here of pool and any damaged areas you can see? We can continue to communicate here until you are satisfied I have answered your question. Thanks. This is one of the worst pop-ups I have seen. I have seen 4 feet before and this looks close to that on the deep end side. It looks like you may want to contact a concrete raising company in your area that has some experience with pool pop-ups and see if they may be able to help pump mud under pool to level or stabilize it. Do not try to re-level pool without an expert. This ground is unstable and there may be voids under your normal walk areas. If pool shifts, these voids could open up. Filling pool with water then keeping underside of pool flooded with water will be the best way to get pool to settle back down as much as it possibly will. I know groundwater caused this problem, but the mistake was that pool was drained of water. If pool is filled with water and made heavy again and ground under pool is soft/muddy, you should get some readjustment. If there is no void for mud to push into, it will not settle much at all. It's very unlikely you will get pool to settle anywhere near the elevation it once was, but if it can be leveled, you can raise the deck elevation around it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.